Let's make some chocolate marble cake in air fryer. I've taken 160 grams of butter here, and I'm gonna add 160 grams of white sugar. Now mix it until it's fully combined. Once the sugar and butter is combined, add 3 eggs. Mix these. Add a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Mix it. Once this is combined, add 180 grams of plain all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Mix this until fully combined. Add about 2 tablespoons of milk. Give it a good mix. That's your cake mixture ready. This is a 20 centimeter cake tin. Grease it with oil or butter. I'm gonna line it as well. Now pour the cake mixture in the baking tin. Spread it evenly. Now take Asda's hazelnut chocolate spread. I'm gonna add 2 spoons. One on this side, one on this side. Take a clean skewer and just swirl this mixture, the hazelnut spread, around. Take your air fryer basket. Place the cake tin inside. This is gonna go in the air fryer at 160 degrees Celsius for about 30 to 35 minutes, or until a toothpick comes out clean. It's been 35 minutes and this is how the cake looks. So take a clean toothpick, insert it into the cake, and if it comes out clean, it means the cake is ready. This is Asda's fresh custard and it's really good. So you serve the warm cake with the cold custard. So I'm gonna put some custard on the plate. Place the cake slice on it. Add any fruit of your choice and enjoy.